Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some doodle that you can do on your bullet journal to record your mood. If you wanted to make your bullet journal looks more exciting, then this video is definitely for you. But before get into it, if you are new here, my name is Idion. I focused on functional and minimalism journaling videos, share different ways that could make your bujo looks more interesting. If any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. For today's emoji, we could use several animals as our character. Firstly is a cat. Who doesn't love a cat, huh? Then we draw a bear. You can draw the eyes and mouth at a lower position to make it looks cute. You could also use panda as your character, it is so adorable. Next we draw a fluffy ball, draw short lines and make it a round shape. A ghost is very cute too. You can combine the emotion below with these animals to create your own emojis. Then an angry one. Draw the tears to make it a sad cat. Next we draw a curious one. A cat that is surprised by something. This cat looked relaxed. You can draw a shy one if you met your crush today. Next we try to draw something special. Here is a melted cat, maybe due to the hot weather or tiredness. Next, we draw a stretching or exercising cat. At weekend, we might go for a small vacation to enjoy the nature. A cat eating her watermelon. Yummy! Then this is a black cat, or signifying that you are watching something in the dark. A cat enjoying her fish. A cute paw saying "no." A sleeping cat. An excited cat. A cat who really enjoyed her books. A working cat. She went for a shopping. A magician cat. couple of cats. A cat who is single for 20 years going crazy beside them. A big thumbs up. A dancing cat and two cats who has a fight. We could try out the combination of other animals with the emojis above. Here I draw a few examples of how you could do it. This is a cute fluffy ball who has his tie. A magician fluffy ball. A panda who is enjoying the nature. A working dark ghost, maybe he is doing his overtime on Sunday night. A happy bear. And a cute ghost who is enjoying her books. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I will be uploading videos every Thursday and Sunday. And I will see you all in my next video.